What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's like 10 o'clock here. I'm back in my PJs. I just walked my dog after my morning routine. I did a little bit of yoga, took my nice ice cold shower, and then got back in some comfy clothes. And I'm gonna show everybody, including myself, because I'm not an expert just yet, how to make a perfect cup of French pressed coffee. The coffee I'm going to be using today is Four Sigmatic's mushroom coffee, the dark roast ground of lion's mane with chaga. No, I'm not sponsored. I'm just a big fan of this coffee. And the lion's mane, there's a bunch of clinical studies, like too many to count now, that prove its validation for helping improve cognitive function, as well as, with that said, the first step with the French press is grabbing the French press. And after watching a video on YouTube, I think it was by Howcast, there was a different method, and one I really liked was heating up the glass first to get it all nice and warm. Just pour some boiling water in it, just let it sit for a little. Grab some paper towels. Not too long in here, just pour it out. Then dry it up a bit. Get all dry for the grinds. And sometimes when I'm grinding my other coffee that I use, you make it nice and kind of coarse. I like a little bit stronger of a taste, but it depends on how you grind it. Luckily, this coffee comes already ground. It's pretty, now I'm not an expert just yet, but I think it's fairly coarse, or otherwise it would say. So I add, it says 3 scoops for one cup, but that's only 8 ounces. I usually try to get about 12 ounces. So I put, using math there, that would be 4.5. However, I think these scoops are also a little bit bigger. So no, I'll probably put around 25 grams of coffee grinds. So these are each 7 grams, so put a little bit more. I think I want a good cup today, so I'm gonna put a little bit extra. Quite a bit right there, to be honest. But I like it like that. And the coffee's not that expensive. Ends up being cheaper monthly than always buying at Starbucks. This I'll leave right here. And I'll get my measuring cup. I'm pretty, not OCD, but I like my exact measurements so I can test and see what amount makes it perfect. The total amount, I only add, I want to say like maybe 6 ounces, no, 4 or 5 ounces, just to cover the coffee grinds for a bit. Just enough to cover it. Then put the plunger in and let it sit for 30 seconds. I sometimes use this, but I like watching it. So let it sit for like 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, pull it out. I had about 4 ounces in there, so now I'm gonna add another 8, because I want about 12 ounces or so. And pour it in. Oh, nice. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. And put that plunger, that bad boy back in right on top. Close it up. Now I'll put it in here. My Mr. Coffee. I learned this in 3 days. Obviously, I'm still getting much better, but with Jim Quick's speed reading program. So much fun. Look at that, even just with 3 minutes, while I'm waiting for my coffee to become perfect. I could practice my juggling. Ah! Minutes are up. Finally, right? Push the plunger down. Let's show right here. Normally, apparently, if you push it nice and easy, it might be too fine, and if it's too kind of hard to push, it might be too coarse. Again, I'm not an expert, I'm still learning. So this kind of comes off a little tough to push. But, you know, I like it darker. Really push it in. And then you pour in your favorite mug. Nice and dark. Ooh, nice, I got a little bit extra. And take a sip. Wow, that tastes amazing. Nice. Thanks for joining me. Go check out this